How to make an end portal in Minecraft. Hello everybody, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create Login and Delete. So let's start the video. There are basically two ways to create an end portal in Minecraft depending upon your game mode. In survival mode, you can't craft the end portal frame blocks yourself. Instead, you'll need to find a stronghold which has an already built-in end portal with some missing end portal frame blocks. So for now, we are going to do it on the creative mode. In creative mode, you can build your own end portal from scratch. So you basically need the end portal frames and eyes of ender that you can absolutely get it after you press the key E or inventory on the game. You will need 12 eyes of ender which you can find in the inventory itself, and you can build the frame by placing 12 end portal frames in an horizontal ring with a 3x3 square empty space in the middle. Make sure the little bumps on the frame face inwards towards the center. And after you have aligned it and you put eyes of ender over the frame, now you would be able to activate the portal. Once the frame is built, the portal should light up and activate. Once your end portal is activated, you can step into the center to travel to the end, the final dimension in Minecraft where you can battle the Ender Dragon. So in this easy step, you can make an end portal in Minecraft. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.